Good afternoon. Welcome to Satsang. The way one gets busy with his body, his heart and his mind, one thinks that it's the way to seek for being freed, but it's being freed from the mind, from the tyranny of the mind. So it's not the same way. One knows only those ways, but actually it's not the affair of somebody, because somebody or not, that is, the real nature is, and cannot even be touched by a person, even a seeker, even a very serious, keen, fiery seeker. So that one has to wake up to that really one cannot do anything about it. When somebody hears that, it's nearly impossible for someone not to do things. Or he does it for a while and then again, because it is a sense of existence. But if you hear that itself is the obstacle, maybe you will give a trial, means you will exactly not try to realize yourself, because you are it. So it can be very directly like this. It can be a bit more indirectly by, if one cannot wake up, by negating, because what you can know is what it is not. In the eyes of the mind. Knowing more and more clearly also that it is a subject which is the so-called trouble, apparent trouble, and not states of the subject, not the states. So I cannot say much more than that. If you want to hear more, you ask me. If you have your own doubts or something, you ask, please. Yeah. Hi.
Hi. My body is very much reacting at that I see this is a past, and what I see is because I taste freedom, and no, this is sorry, this is not
Okay.
the right sentence.
What
I see, I'm galloping. I'm running, but it doesn't make sense. It is like very, very automatic, and somehow I know that I'm running, and it is not always there, and sometimes I'm not running. So there is not much to do. Just take a time to sit in satsang, or just normally sit somewhere, or just do my things, but there is no no search or something. Sometimes I'm just running very much, and it can be all ideas about, and really it can, like a revolutionary that oh, let's figure something, let's figure myself, let's put something, but there is nothing to figure. I'm just running something.
Yeah. Yeah, you run, you dance, you sit sometimes. Yeah, sure. Okay, you are describing the habit of this one, I see.
Yes.
No problem, because you don't put the belief that more you run or more you don't run will help.
Yes.
But that's what I say. What is left? It's left that one has to admit for himself that he cannot do anything. Even when he doesn't do, it's a doing. I don't run, okay, it's still a state. So it's not about that, it's about believing I am this body and this mind. I am born, it means that.
Yes.
So that can disappear.
Yes, it's not always there, the person. It's
It's not there when you don't run. But I mean that is momentary. So there is still somebody there.
I would like to see who is that somebody, because I'm totally interested to.
You see it, you described, it's running,
yes,
and it's not running. That is the person you can know about yourself. That's the person. You speak of states. If you remove, listen, if you remove states, if you remove any state from the person, is there anybody? That's my question.
The runner and the non-runner.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Yeah. No.
That's what you are, and don't make something out of it. That's what I am, and I don't know what it is, but I know I am that. Then what else? Yes. D'accord. Udava, tu vas traduire? Merci. Tu lui laisses le temps de traduire. Hein?
Je me suis retrouvé confronté à une difficulté.
I found myself confronted to a difficulty
Que j'ai rencontré plusieurs fois dans ma vie, à plusieurs étapes.
which I met several times in my life at different stages.
Je me suis posé la question, à toutes ces étapes de ma vie,
I asked myself at each stage of my life,
qu'est-ce qui était là,
what
qui
is
est encore et qui le sera toujours.
what is there, which is always there and will always be there.
Et ça m'a fait comme un déclic, une révélation.
Which gave me a revelation.
Laquelle?
Which one?
Je ne sais pas comment l'exprimer, mais
I don't know how to express, but
Dans ce que je vis,
In what I live,
je vois cela.
I
Cela qui
see
est là,
this.
qui est toujours là.
I see that which is always there.
C'est indescriptible et ça ne fait pas partie de ce monde.
It is not describable and it's not part of this world.
Tous les mots que j'ai entendus dans ma recherche
All the words I heard in my search
ne correspondent pas à cela.
don't correspond to that.
Excepté que c'est indescriptible, hein, c'est dit partout quand même.
Oui, je suis d'accord. c'est pas-
Except that it is indescribable.
Et c'est quand
that's
même
said
dit
everywhere.
aussi que ce ne fait pas que c'est pas dans le monde. Le monde est dedans peut-être, mais c'est pas dans le monde.
And it's also said that it is not of this world, but it's not in this world, but the world is in it.
Je donne un maximum de détails pour que tu situes vraiment ce que je vis.
D'accord. Mhm.
I try to give as many details as possible so you can locate what I experience, live.
Donc cela est vu.
So this is seen.
La difficulté
The difficulty
pour moi, c'est que je le vois,
for me is that I see
c'est dissocié. C'est-à-dire que
I see it not as disassociated.
il y
Mm.
a une navette qui se fait entre cela
There's a shuttle between this
et l'attachement à la personne.
and the attachment to the person,
Et ça devient infernal.
and it's hell.
Because you want to stay only with the world.
Because you only want
Bon, parce que tu veux rester seulement dans le monde. Pourquoi c'est infernal?
why is it hell?
Parce que ça bataille.
Because it battles, it fights.
Et de quoi?
There's a fight between the two.
Ah, il y a une chose. Oui, mais ok. Tu veux savoir ce que tu vis?
You want to know what you are living? Yes.
Mais je parle en français ou comment est-ce qu'on fait?
C'est bien en français.
Oui. Mais c'est très clair. Tu le dis toi-même. Tu es dans une navette. Et c'est vrai que c'est infernal parce que l'un est aussi attirant que l'autre dans un sens. Sinon, tu n'irais pas ni dans le monde ni dans l'autre. Donc, chacun a un attrait très fort.
It's very clear because you say it yourself, there's a shuttle between the two and both are interested and attractive.
Mais donc, tu décris bien là des états.
But you describe here states.
Et quand tu dis que quand tu sais, tu as vu, tu vois ce qu'est cela, ce qui est vraiment,
When you say that you see that, what is really that?
c'est quelqu'un qui voit un aspect d'autre chose que ce qu'il connaît d'habitude.
It's somebody who sees an aspect
Oui.
of something else that you know, that you usually know.
Tu acceptes jusque-là?
Do you
Ben
accept?
oui. Mais donc, il y a quelqu'un de trop.
So
Et
it's
c'est ça
somebody
qui
too
crée
much.
l'enfer.
And that's what creates hell.
C'est ça qui crée l'enfer. Je suis et de trop.
I am is too much.
Bon, mais quand tu entends ça, tu l'avais vu que je est toujours là ou pas?
When you hear this, did you see that
Même
I
quand
is
tu
too much or not?
quand tu voyais cela indescriptible, tu avais vu que je était encore là?
So even when you saw that, which is indescribable, you saw that I was too much.
Ben, donc, tu savais très bien que c'était un état. Qu'est-ce que tu peux espérer de plus d'un état?
So you know it's a state.
Même s'il semble
What do you hope from a state?
réel,
Even if it appears real.
je est de trop.
I is too much.
Je crée la dualité,
I create duality.
et c'est comme ça qu'en effet, ce sont deux réalités opposées, et
Therefore,
l'inconfort est total.
there are two opposite realities, and the discomfort is complete and total.
L'intérêt de ma question, c'est que déjà que ce soit une bonne direction et que
The
je ne
purpose
pas
of
avec
my
ça.
question is to know if the goal is right.
De Gaulle? Non.
The direction is right. Sorry.
Mais il n'y a pas de direction là.
And there's no direction here.
Ce que je perçois comme étant cela,
Mais oui, mais c'est un état dans lequel je vais, même si je disparais parce qu'il voit cela.
It's a state in which
C'est bien.
I go, even if it disappears while it sees.
Est-ce que tu vois précisément que c'est un état, même s'il paraît plus vaste qu'un état avec lequel tu peux comparer? Mais c'est un état,
Can you see that it
c'est
is a
une
state?
expérience de jeu.
It's an experience
Est-ce que c'est
of
vu?
non.
No.
Oui, mais maintenant, j'essaie de t'expliquer, tu le vois. Tu es obligé de voir.
You have to see now because I explained to you.
Parce que ce que tu es vraiment n'est pas sujet aux oscillations.
Because what you really
Et
are
il n'y a
is
pas
not
ce qu'on dit de
subjected to
dualité.
oscillation. There is no state.
Donc, ce que tu vis est un état advaitique, disons, un état qui
So what-
semble être cela, et en effet, il y a sans doute une intuition, une expérience profonde où
what you are living is a state of that. It's a. I'm sorry, I've lost the beginning.
yeah, it's an advaitic state. I mean by that it's a very deep state where I lost a lot of his luggage and all that, and so he's able to live that. Il est capable de vivre cela parce qu'il s'est dépouillé de beaucoup de choses, mais c'est encore un état. It's still a state of I. C'est encore un état de je.
Est-ce que je peux insister un peu?
Oui.
Je suis pas sûr de bien comprendre.
Can I insist a little because I'm not sure I understand correctly?
Quand je perçois cela,
Yeah.
cela qui est perçu toujours, ça ne bouge pas. Je veux dire, à tous les moments de ma vie, c'est toujours la même chose. Ça ne bouge pas.
Mais alors tu poseras pas de questions?
Mais justement, il y a le jeu qui gravite autour de tout ça.
Hmm?
Et c'est le jeu qui gravite autour de ça et qui m'empoisonne.
Oui, mais ça c'est pas normal. It's not possible. Ceux qui traduis, ceux qui réalisent, disons, ce qu'est la vraie nature, commune à tous,
Realize our real nature to us all.
ils vont plus jamais être troublés si je apparais d'une telle façon. Ils vont pas trouver
They are not troubled by
parce
the
que ça a
appearance
été
of I,
vu
what
comme
they
une
are,
apparence.
because it is seen as an appearance.
Donc, si j'insiste pour dire qu'il y a quand même quelque chose qui cloche,
So I insist to say that something is not quite right.
c'est parce que il n'y a plus une question
Because there's no more question
sur ça devrait pas être là ou c'est terrible parce que c'est inconfortable. Ça disparaît ce genre de questions.
about it is uncomfortable or something should not be there. This sort of questions disappear or should
Donc,
disappear.
ça doit bien être un certain état.
So it
Bon,
must be a
peut-être
state,
extrêmement subtil, mais c'est
subtle
un
one.
état
but still a state.
qui aussi, tu dis que c'est toujours là, mais tu supposes, je suppose. Quand tu dors, tu dis pas que c'est toujours là. Quand tu es
You say it's always there, but
dans
you suppose
l'enfer,
it's there.
tu dis que c'est toujours
When
là.
you're in deep sleep, you don't know whether it's there.
Mais si c'était toujours là, tu serais tellement attiré à être toujours là que
If it was always there, you would be
tu
so
vivrais pas
attracted
l'enfer.
to that is always there. You would never be in hell.
Je le vis comme quelque chose d'extérieur.
I experience it as something.
Bah alors c'est pas
exterior to
important, hein.
me.
Cette apparence, je ne dis pas que c'est une apparence facile même pour un être libéré tout le temps, mais il n'en fait pas un enfer. Je regrette.
Appearance is not always very easy to live, even for a realized master, but it's not a hell.
Et c'est pas un paradis quand c'est merveilleux. C'est merveilleux, mais c'est pas un paradis. Il y a quelque chose que je ne peux pas. Je peux pas. Je crois qu'il y a un mensonge à toi-même, sans le vouloir. Tu dis que parce que dire que quelque chose est toujours là, même une personne réalisée, il ne pense pas comme ça. Il ne pense pas c'est toujours là. Et même s'il est interrogé, il va dire it's always there. Mais le vécu, c'est pas comme ça. Le vécu dans le temps. Le vécu dans le temps. Je ne comprends pas.
Even though when we are interrogated about it, we say it's always there, but we don't live it like this. So I don't understand.
J'ai aussi du mal à m'exprimer.
Mais justement, ton expression n'est pas correcte, donc il y a quelque chose qui n'est pas correct au départ.
Qu'est-ce que je fais avec tout ça?
Eh bien, on va raser. Il y a quelque chose de très compliqué.
Je vais laisser décanter un peu, je t'en parle.
Oui, décante complètement. Et complètement. Père même, tout ce que tu sais. Même si c'est de cela, comme tu es ici, tu reviens après et on voit, page nouvelle. Parce que c'est devenu une grande élaboration. Quelque chose qui est de trop. Ok? Ok, parfait.
Merci.
Parfait. Yeah.
I have a question about the
A little louder.
sorry. Yeah. I have a question about the state of oneness. His question reminded me of that.
Yeah, you don't care about others, just speak for you.
Yeah. Just that in the recent weeks and months,
Yeah.
it's happened on many different occasions that I'd say later I would explain it as the state of oneness was experienced, in which the person disappeared and one mass of everything, and later the person comes back, which is seen to be mind activity. It's the mind its identification. So it's not a problem as such. There are states of being the person and states of not.
Yeah, but wait, you go, it's very subtle and you go very fast. When you say one is the person, it's clear, and the other is not. But who is this other who is not? What is it? What is it when you say, when you leave something else than the mind occupation? What is it?
From the teachings, I know that it's me, it's the true state.
No!
Or it's a advaitic state, or something that you just said. It's a blissful state arising.
Okay, it's a state, you see. That's why there are resurrections of I. You see? Yes. Like, bon. So, because it goes into a kind of disappearance, it goes into, something, a state, a subtle state, which looks like the Advaita which is expressed, and then since it happens to somebody, even though you may pretend in that state there is nobody there, but you know it. Who knows that? That one goes to sleep or into Advaita, and then he is occupied with his mind. So I am somebody, but the sense of I, no, it's not so I am a woman or I'm the sense of I is not questioned. It's a root too much. It's a cancerous cell. Cancerous. But it's something too much up in the appearance. That's why all this can appear, you see.
I guess I was just wondering why this state arises. Why does this blissful state of
Oh,
arise?
but I can be blissful, oh sure. Because, you see, when I is getting less and less, with less luggage, is more happy. When I thinks less, is more happy. It's automatic. When you laugh, you don't have a mind. He is very happy. And when you know those states, that because you went a lot to satsang and read a lot, then you are deformed by the teaching, then you put it not in a simple way, oh, I'm very happy because, oof, I left my mind. When I sleep happily when I really deeply sleep. Why? Because I'm not with my mind. This happens to all the beings on this planet, search or no search. The pride is to attribute those states to the real state. There is the spiritual pride there. So it is demystified in satsang. Say, oh, mind you, it's still the same pride because I is still alive. He still takes something, and the proof is that he exists before through the mind, and now he exists through the strength of those states. He's very happy. He found what he searched. Not that much, but it's on the way too.
Afterwards there's suffering.
Huh?
Afterwards there's suffering. Like, oh.
Yeah.
Why?
No, sure. But you suffer also because you think it's the real thing, and then again it's impermanent because of my less seriousness or dedication or whatnot, which is said in the qualities of a saint. No, listen, we are not at all here to swallow anything, okay? So, just take it. Those are states. So, very simple. If you have the courage to accept, okay, this also is a state, I was just totally mistaken again, you are left with what? That's more interesting, I tell you.
What's always there is just the awareness of whatever's happening.
Don't use so many words, oh la la. You see, somebody could be freeing himself, but he has not gone to satsang, has not gone to all these teachings, and then he will not speak like that. And it's much better. Awareness, who knows about awareness? Do you speak of awareness when you are aware? Never. Oh, you just stop all those big words which are golden carrots, very good for the seeker, but at some point the seeker has to see, but after all I don't want to be a seeker. Then the golden carrot is removed. Yeah? Good. Where are you left? Just now. Just now. You try, but there is nothing.
mean, there's nothing that really stays. I mean, it's just all states, happy, sad.
But that you speak of the appearance, you speak of the appearance. So you can, a moment, not be busy even looking at the appearance, you just be yourself. Just a quarter of a second. Not so easy, huh? This quarter of a second.
It's okay. I'm a bit more confused than I was before, but it's okay.
But why it's okay? I would not be okay. Why is it okay to be confused? It's not okay. It will make you search again. I don't understand that philosophy. It's okay to be confused. No! It's not okay. Or it's okay for you, but for me it's not okay. You are confused because what you followed is not the same than what you hear just now. That's why you are confused. The dilemma of different visions that you hear. That makes confused. I agree. Welcome.
But like I said, I'm quite just kind of confused now. But I also want to say that this experience, this stage of oneness, and also has come when I'm feeling sad. It's not just bliss. It can also be like a lot of suffering, and then somehow it's still experience that the person doesn't really exist. I don't know. It's not always blissful. It's a state. So.
That's why you were confused, because it looked like always there, even if there is sadness and all. You see? Okay, but the mind is very tricky. You know, there is no observer. Once you realize yourself, there is no observer. Oh, this is always there when I am doing this, and no, there is nothing like that. You are sad, you are happy, you are nothing. You don't question it. There is no more question about it. You see? You don't need to know if there is something permanent so I don't lose myself. All this is swept away. Swept away. And if it is not, it means the mind has still some power. Some power. Good to see. It's good to see. Yeah, hi.
Hello. I feel like I still believe in this person. You know, like, and somehow I see it. I see, wow, this is also perceived.
Yeah.
But still, I feel like I am the observer. It's how I feel somehow.
Yeah, this is the problem, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, I agree with you. Yeah. You see, did you do some practice or something? Or
Yes.
simply, yeah, must
Yeah.
be, huh? Must be.
Yeah, I also feel like I'm a seeker. Yes, you know, I read and whatever, and I'm seeking
Yeah,
something.
sure, sure. And of course, when you do, you try to understand, to be knowledgeable, to attain what you read and so on.
Mm-hmm.
In the end, you become an observer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But it's an observer too much, troubles. Otherwise, you would not even ask this question, isn't it? And who is an observer? Who could it be?
I feel like it's me.
Yeah, the same me who was born. The same me who was worldly before, and now, because of all those things, is an observer. So it changed address. It changed identification. You agree? Now, to be an observer, you have to observe something. Otherwise, are you an observer?
No.
Ah, that's better. So be there. You are always there. What changes is the appearance, that's all. You see, that's your real nature, and what appears, since it was a habit, I will appear a lot as an observer and also as something else. But you know that these are appearances. It's not who I am, in fact. Hmm? Tell us.
There's nothing, like there's nothing to observe, but I feel like there's still things. That's how I feel.
Oh, that it's in the feelings. If you are not dead by now, you will feel. Even the body may react. Doesn't matter. You know, it's part of this world of appearance. It's part of the expression of what is. You know now, these are expressions, or what can you say? Yeah, some expressions. The creation of that. It belongs to the body and to the mind, those things. But what I am doesn't depend on all that. It may appear, it may disappear. I am still there. What is still there. You see, when you open your eyes, the senses can catch things because it's there, they exist that way. Then they catch especially one thing, okay, but still everything is same for the emotions and same for the mind, but you know that is due to the senses and all that of disappearance. This is the world of this body-mind. which appears because of what is common to all and disappears there too. So in fact, you don't even need to have a rising eye as an observer. Let it come as it likes. You have no power about that. It doesn't matter. You see?
Maybe, I'm not sure.
Okay, be sure, be sure. Don't fall into observer.
I fell into observer.
Yeah,
I was like,
doesn't matter, but then now you know.
Yeah.
Now you know. You slip into a movement of the mind. You saw that?
Yes.
Who you are is from where you can see that movement.
And even if I get very lost in a movement,
Then what?
I'm still here, right? To
just check. So good. Yeah. What a relief. Yes.
Hi.
Hello, Gopal. Anand. Attends, just wait.
Hi.
Hi, Anand.
We went to Portugal and I was really happy here at first. But now I'm really sad to be here.
Ah.
I miss Germany very much and it makes me really sad. And it also makes me really sick.
Yeah, I understand that.
And
you want to be happy again.
yeah.
You see, I just tell you something. You understand if I say in this world, you understand that? In this world, happiness will always come and go. So now you have been very happy, now you are not happy, so happiness can come again. But for that, you have not to fix the sadness.
Yeah.
You have not to fix. You are sad, okay, but you see you are sad, and who you really are knows it's a wave. So you let it go too. I mean to say, don't depend too much on circumstances. Now your circumstances are difficult, so you are sad.
Yeah.
They will all not always stay like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Be quickly happy. But also, don't depend on circumstances. Try to see that there is something in you which is not touched by circumstances. You understand circumstances? Events. Good? Okay?
Yeah.
Very nice, Anand. You know, it's a burden to think I am enlightened. Do you know that? I ask, yeah, do you know? It's a burden to think I am enlightened, because then you have to maintain it all the time.
I never thought I was enlightened.
No? But in case it happens. Yes. Good man.
So the other day when I first arrived, I asked you a question and I used the word how. And you said, don't even ask that question.
Yeah.
Remain yourself.
Yeah.
So a sequence of events happened when you said that. And the first thing that happened was my mind says, yes, she's right.
Hmm.
And then the how just sort of disappeared.
Yeah.
And I would explain the next thing that happened was like I fell back on myself.
Yeah.
It's like I fell back.
Okay.
And then there was seeing and hearing. You know, I was seeing you, I was hearing, or maybe the right word's listening, but there was nobody there.
Yeah.
And then suddenly there was a thought, I don't understand anything she's saying.
Yeah.
And then the thought that followed that was, who cares?
Yeah.
And so it went on for a little while that I didn't understand what you were saying.
Yeah.
But you know, there was, like I said, there was this
Nope.
seeing and listening,
Yeah,
and nothing there to. I couldn't say that there was an observer. There was just
Yeah.
the seeing and listening.
Yeah.
So is that a medical condition or?
Is it? I didn't hear the.
A medical condition.
Ah! No, you are out of medical condition. Yeah, out. I just want to say, be aware that when you said I went back, it's just an impression because you believed you were away. Otherwise, you never left yourself.
Yes, it was some kind of sensation, and I've had that sensation in previous experiences.
Yeah, but it's good to know it's an impression due to a previous belief. Actually, you never left. There was never a way or back. That is to be clear. Very nice.
So, is
Don't worry now. You are out of medical condition. All the rest is mind, is the mind.
Well, I'm a serious seeker. I'm not a very well educated one, but I'm a serious seeker. But since I've been here, I've gotten a lot lighter. And I contribute it both to being in satsang with you and the song, just being around everyone, and feeling really welcome, and just being at home and at peace. I really thank you for that.
not meditating, huh? Are you?
No, it's just more
just
remaining.
Yeah, okay,
there.
good.
Yeah, and I'm seeing like thoughts passing by.
Yeah, I just check. Because all the habits may appear. You don't need to go so much into them.
Okay.
And in satsang, it's good to have open eyes. Because you don't need to, you are here. But you are free also. Oh, is Italy? Good? Something to say? Yeah, it's very... I understand, me too.
Can you translate it?
The last time was strongly and very clear for me when a sense of desperation comes from nothing, no? And suddenly from that moment I feel more free inside. Like this.
Yeah, okay. But since it is in time, it will again be probably at some point less free.
Yeah.
And then what to do? You cannot say that desperation comes from nothing. It comes from I am somebody. It belongs to I. Huh? It's not from nothing. It's from the past. Okay, that you are freer from the past. I'm very happy about that for you. But you could also see, maybe it's very important to know who is freer. Who is freer?
When you told me?
Che a un certo punto no,
At a certain point,
la scelta di seguire
you can choose to follow.
Seguire qualche indicazione sarebbe venuta da sola.
An indication, sarebbe venuta da sola.
Sì, coming not from my
Seguire un'indicazione
cioè mi ha detto che a un certo punto, a un certo momento avevi scelto diciamo un maestro o un altro, insomma, un insegnamento o un altro.
At a certain point you should choose a certain indication, a certain teaching or another one.
Oppure ha detto farlo da sola. Cosa
And
intende?
you told her this choice will come by itself. What did you indicate with that, or what did you want to say with that? She doesn't understand that this choice.
Which choice? Did I speak of choice today?
To follow an indication of a certain teacher or another one would come by itself.
Yeah. Why are you here today?
Quite basically.
You see, there is an instinctive choice to stay where it fits your demand. That's all. Hmm? It's all about the demand in the end, you see. Of course, when there are many shops in the street with selling nearly the same thing, so you go to one and then you taste the other, and in the end, for some mysterious reason, you prefer one. Then go there and that's it. Huh?
You said today I am is too much. So the sense of existence is too much.
To realize who you are, yes.
Yeah.
So what you will do with that now? Will you grasp it when it presents itself?
No.
all this knowledge is good to clarify, but in the end it's a hindrance. And knowledge can present itself also through experiences, you see. Sometimes it's through conceptualization, but also it's through experiences. Yeah.
When I hear that it's not someone's business, and that it's not the no mind, not the mind, not the busy mind, I feel like somewhere between scandalized and indifference, and it's so strange. I cannot take
Of course. I react this way because he doesn't want to lose its tyrannhood. He will react, sure. But then who cares? Why do you care? If you care, you won. Through a few it may be expressed, oh, bliss and ecstatic and all that, and for a few it will be scandalized and whatnot. But there will be always a reaction. Don't go there. It's a movement of the mind again. It's a movement of the mind. Any movement of the mind feeds the reality, so-called reality of I am something. Any. What? Good.
It's good.
Huh?
Is it good?
It's cool.
Good? Is it
Huh?
good?
Good. It's good. But you trust me or not? It's good. I mean, I will not tell you something bad. What is this thought? It's good. is excellent. Oh my God. It's a joke, huh? It's good. That's the best joke of today. This is okay. Something more. Thank you.